Hi guys, welcome back to my brand new YouTube channel. So it's Lydia here, as you all know my name, and I'm so excited to share what I bought last week with all of you since my parcel just arrived yesterday. So let's just unbox it, okay? So where it starts? I bought this because these things come out on my FYP, so I think it's quite fun to have one for me, right? So why not? It's also good. You can use it every day and it's for your face. Today, basically, I'm gonna be testing out a 3D print your own face mask. So basically, you can do DIY face mask by your own, but using this machine. I think it's quite cool. Hi guys, so welcome. Now I'm at my kitchen to pick up all of the ingredients and bring upstairs to mix all of the ingredients that I need for my skin. Let's just go pick up the ingredients. With me, so I just got the extension on and this machine is on. Please pure water. Okay, it's kind of Alexa. Alexa told me to add water, so I got this hot water downstairs. So the first one that we're going to do is citrus honey face mask. So basically you're gonna add 20 ml of fruit juice.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys that wanna sex me, they always standing next to me, always dancing next to me.
So you're just gonna stir with this.
Looking at my love.
So add 6 ml of hot water that you're probably using right now.
You don't want no drama. No drama. No drama.
So you're gonna put this in here.
You ain't my man, boy. I'm just
so this is the pleasure peptide. Guys, I literally pressed the wrong button. Yeah, now I'm waiting for the mask to process. So let's just chill out. Chilling. So I got this new paper, is it beautiful? So I got new paper for my MacBook. So we're chilling. Now I'm gonna use cleaning. Wow, oh my god. My face mask ready. I cannot wait to try it. Guys, so the first mask is completely finished. So let's just take it off. Guys, I cannot wait to try it. Guys, I cannot stand it, so I cannot see it straight because the mask keeps falling down. So guys, so now I am laying down on my bed, and trust me, this mask is super good. So now I'm reading like 5 minutes ago. I just finished.
all that money got me wearing fly.
Please a pure water.
Guys, so this is the first face mask. It's so good. You have to try it. So this is my face after this week. Super glowy. So the first mask is pretty successful. So the second one is I'm gonna do aloe vera and honey.
My homes, they got you.
So it's time to pour
Please a pure water.
6 ml of water. The machine saying that the face mask is already ready to go, and let's just
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
I feel so sleepy, but never mind. How did I do my face mask?
They say I'm really sexy. The
I
boys that
literally
wanna
cover
sex me,
my
they
face
always standing next to
with
me.
broken mask.
Always dancing next to me, tryna
Hi guys, so this is gonna be my last face mask of course, and last mask is gonna be Aztec mask. Here, this is my mask, and I'm gonna mix it with apple cider vinegar.
No drama, so don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy.
This is the start
Please
button.
add collagen peptide and press start button.
Hi guys, so now my last face mask. That is Aztec face mask.
My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. My lovely
First.
lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps.
Hi guys, so I think that's all for today, and I feel so excited to share this thing that I bought today with all of you, and I hope this helped you. Hi guys, I hope you also enjoy as much as I do in doing this video in the process of DIYing my face mask today. So I really enjoy playing with my new machine, so I hope you also enjoy as much as I do. And also please go hit the subscribe, like and comment button below. Love you all. Thank you for watching.